Dear Mr. Rudy, I'm Michael Chandrevinda, and I'm going to present me and my team's work about understanding customer acceptance of e-banking services in Jakarta, a UTAUT-based approach. This research aims to understand customer acceptance of e-banking services in Jakarta, with the approach based on the Unified Theory of Acceptance and Use of Technology, or UTAUT. Indonesia is one of the Asian countries with the highest number of internet users. Reporting from the Indonesian Service Provider Association, the internet penetration rate in Indonesia has reached 78.90%. And the Financial Service Authority, or OJK, shows that the number of e-banking users in 2023 will reach 120 million. With the large use of internet and rapid development of technology in Indonesia, e-banking usage is also increasing in Indonesia, especially Jakarta, where modern internet-based transaction methods are found nearly everywhere. For literature review, e-banking, or electronic banking, is a term used to describe banking services provided electronically via the internet or other computer networks. UTAUT is a theoretical framework used to understand user behavior in accepting and using the technology. The four main factors, namely performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social influence, and facilitating conditions. And for customer acceptance, according to Carl E. Wiggers, customer acceptance is a formal process for obtaining customer approval for a product or a service. And e-banking services refers to a variety of banking services provided electronically via internet or other computer networks. For perceived risk is the user's subjective perception of the possibility of loss or discomfort when using the product or service. And for trust, it is user trust in the technology or system used. It includes users' belief that the technology is reliable, safe, and can meet their needs and expectations. For research model, this research is based on theories such as UTAUT, which are perceived risk and trust. This research highlights factors such as performance expectancy, ease of use, social influence, facilitating condition, trust, risk perception that influence users' intention to adopt e-banking technology. For the research method, the quantitative descriptive method aims to describe the research in the project in more depth and detail by using numerical data, as well as to explain the phenomenon being studied as it really is. And for the population sample, the population to be studied are people with the minimum age of 18 years old, who live in Jakarta and have used e-banking services. This research will use a purposive sampling method to select respondents who fit to these criteria. For research instruments, based on the hypothesis that has been determined, we created a questionnaire based on Indonesian language as a research tool for this study. We use 6-point Likert scale, which range from strongly disagree to strongly agree, so that it can indicate the level of respondents' agreement. The research was conducted quantitatively, consisting of 21 questions, consisting of 7 aspects, which are performance expectancy, effort expectancy, facilitating condition, trust, perceived risk, and user intention to adopt the internet banking. The data collection process will be carried out using a questionnaire in the form of Google Form, which will be distributed for 7 days, from 28 April 2024 to 5 May 2024. And to process the data that we have gathered, we will use multiple regression analysis, where we ensure accurate definition of the dependent and independent variables. We will use software in the form of SPSS to assist in processing our data. That's for my presentation. Thank you.